This is All India YT channel broadcasting from New Delhi, the news bulletin read by Naga AMOS. So before I go ahead and read the news bulletin, I just want to tell you, if you're new in this channel, you please subscribe to my channel and please support to my channel. So as you already saw here the headline, let's go. Let me start. Now, well, I just have a food. I'll just give you a abbreviation. AMOS, the full form of AMOS, I'll be giving you. So in the meantime, I'll be having food.
आज तुम हाथों से क्यों खा रहे हो? हमेशा स्पून से खाते हो ना?
गुड क्वेश्चन नानी. घर हो या होटल हो, स्पून को इस तरह चाटते हैं. बाद में इसको कोई धोता भी है या नहीं, किसको पता. अगर ये मेरा हाथ होता तो इस तरह सिर्फ मैं ही चाटता. एकदम हाइजीनिक.
Nice. This is pork. Very tasty. I make this one big size because like this is my culture and this is my identity that I just want to show you, because like in the olden days they will give you only one piece, a big one, and the soup will be like this only. Those one soup they will take it, and the meat that they are making they will give you the big size, and that big size they will give only one, they will not give two. So this is my identity that I want to show to you. Everything is fine. And as I already said to you, like the full form of AMOS, I'll not give the full form of Naga, but I'll be giving you the full form of AMOS. One day, when I came to Delhi in 2008, I came from train, and what happened, because like I'm sitting in Rastani, so Rastani used to get delay. So on that time the train stopped for like 1.5 hours. On that time most of the people are selling a vegetable. Oh, sorry, no vegetable, I mean like banana, coconut, water, like this. They came and they are selling. So I purchased banana for like 20 rupees. I get 4 pieces. I eat one and I just keep it near to the door, no? In the train station, in the train near to the door. I just left it. So the monkey came and they are start watching here and there. Some are giving bread there, some are giving biscuit, some are giving something. I cannot able to say that like the whole thing, but I just left in the table or in the window, and suddenly monkey came and took my banana. At 3 banana, one I already eaten, and 3 banana has taken away by monkey. So after that, I saw from the window one man selling a banana. The monkey arrived and took some banana, and the seller, they took the stick and chased them to the monkey, but monkey, they don't understand, huh? So they come and attack again and they get some banana, but after finish they run and they are took the banana from the seller, the banana seller, na. And the train start traveling again. After that, I feel sleepy because I have lunch, dinner, everything. I feel sleepy, so I just lay down and I just thinking. In the meantime, I'm eating, okay? While I'm thinking, like, as you know, like, well, I'm going to school, we just make a fun and make an abbreviation like dog, that means come again tomorrow, huh? And cat means come again tomorrow, dog means what? You please comment in these things. Dog full form, you write it down. As I already said, cat, come again tomorrow. Fish, that thing also, as you know. I'm starting thinking about that, and in my mind I got like the full form. So the full form of AMOS, the short story that I already narrated, saying to you, but the full form of AMOS is, you want to know? Wait, let me eat first. Nice, excellent cook. Who cooked this curry? It's me. And I make the full form of AMOS, and I just start laughing to myself. So, as you want to know like the full form of AMOS, as I already laughed, I think also you want to know. But wait for some time. You're watching, right? So if you're watching, watch till the end, and you please share to your friend or put in your Facebook status or in the YouTube status. or in your WhatsApp status as well. Please support to me. These days I'm housewife. I'm not doing anything. I'm just staying at my home. I'm looking to my doctor. So right now let me tell you the full form of AMOS. AMOS, AMOS only. The full form of AMOS is A for all, M for monkey, O for over, S for smart. You want? If you don't laugh, I'll hit you again. AMOS means all monkey over smart. It's funny, right? So this is just for the entertainment purpose. If you like this kind of video, you need to subscribe and bell the all button so that you will not miss my channel, because I love you. I love you in the sense like not romantic love. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and if you like it, you please give a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you please give a dislike, so that I can improve my video, and so that I can give you a more good content. And if you like it, don't forget me not, you please share to your family, to your girlfriend, to your boyfriend. So take care and have a blessed day.